Well, welcome to this video where I'll show you 3 ways to make money with AI this very month. If you're wondering who I am, my name's George. I started my whole business journey with my AI agency in the US and it changed my life. And now I'm here to give you a hand so you can do it too. So, let's get right into it. Here are those ways to make money from home with AI. So everyone's lying about making money with AI. Why do I say this? Because the hype's everywhere. We know this. Everyone's talking AI because it's booming, basically, and it's the best way to sell courses now. That's just how it is. Most people earn literally $0 a month with this AI stuff. Probably if they make money, it's selling a course. So in this presentation, I'll show you the real ways to make money with AI right now, or at least the ones I know because people are doing it or I'm doing it myself. So let's get straight to it. First way to make money from home with AI, an automation agency. This is literally my business model, what I learned in the US with US methods, with the US mindset, and I promise you it's changed my life. First off, I'll explain all this so you understand it simply and why you can reach 5 figures every month with this business model. First, I want you to imagine you're a company and I'm solving an internal problem that takes you hours and hours a month, or say a week, 7 hours every single week, which are repetitive tasks or, well, data systems and so on. Seriously, wouldn't you pay $3,000 to $10,000 to save 3 or 4 workers and also be much more efficient in your company? And forget it, I'm not talking about chatbots, receptionist agents, or anything like that. I won't lie to you, this is a bit guru-like. Yes, you can make money selling receptionists and AI agents, sure, but that's not as scalable as, say, selling complete systems to businesses. Just think about it, once you've solved a big problem within a company and a specific niche, why not go to other companies to solve that same problem for them? Yes, I know it can be a bit complex at first to find that problem to solve. You also have to understand how a company works, and I know this might sound complex, but I promise it's not, and it's much easier than it seems, but you have to put in the work. You might be wondering what you need to start with this business model. I know it's totally absurd, but no, you don't need any investment, you don't need any difficult knowledge, since for example with my YouTube you can already learn and start making money. It doesn't matter which country you're watching from right now, whether you're in Guatemala, China, Japan, it doesn't matter, because you can start and sell it in the best market in the world, the US market. If you're from Latam and don't know English and want to sell it in Spain, you can too, since, well, Spain is a little better off economically. Companies will pay more for the same thing in Spain than in Latam, and yes, it sounds too good to be true, but I promise you just have to give it a try to see that it is. If you're really committed to this method, let's call it making money with AI. Now let's move on to AI content that actually pays. You have to understand, virality doesn't equal income, because right now Instagram and TikTok don't pay you just for having millions of followers. Business owners will only pay you to create well-made AI ads for them consistently, because that's what's going to bring them leads. Leads are potential customers, and obviously the more you attract the better, since that company will make more money and they'll pay you more. Even if it's not as well paid, since it's between 500 to 2,000 euros, although it's also quite scalable, it's a bit harder because getting an agency to hire you to make these ads is, well, a bit more complicated. But anyway, it's nothing that can be achieved because if you really specialize in this, you can go very, very far. Finally, we move on to this last way, which, well, is the most well-known of all. This is AI receptionist, these appointment reminders, basically, well, selling AI to local businesses. Because yes, this can be done, and I actually practically started with this in the United States selling voice receptionist agents. Mind you, this is a bit more complicated and it's much more developed in the United States and they pay better. Whether it's websites with 24/7 customer service, that is a chat agent, receptionist 24/7. This isn't as recommended and basically can be quite complex because no, these leads aren't as qualified to pay for these automations or these reminders, these agents, whatever you want to call them. The downside of this is that it's not as scalable and really, well, maybe it's the fastest method to make your first dollars with AI, yes. Well, this also depends on you, on how much outreach you actually do, that is going to B2B companies, to these local businesses and trying to sell them this AI, this agent or whatever you've already proposed, because I assure you that you have to go in with a speech ready to talk. But anyway, in the long run this isn't very feasible and in fact it's hardly scalable at all. So I would recommend that you choose based on reality and not on ego. This table was mostly just to give you an idea. More or less, automation agencies are the most required skill, the one you'll need the most skill for. A bit more detailed information, how a company works from the inside, what systems can be automated within those companies to actually get them to pay you up to 10,000. And well, honestly, quite a bit more too for automation, because remember, it's not just a simple automation, but a complete system that really helps the company be much more efficient and save hours and hours. And when I say hours, I mean many hours a month. And the brutal reality is that right now there's misinformation, a lot of AI misinformation here on social media. Also, too much learning. I mean, I'm seeing many people learning a lot about various AI sectors, and that's great, but there's no action. Trying out magic tools to generate money with AI without doing anything or without positioning, basically without patience. You have to understand that this AI stuff takes time, mostly because they're concepts that are, well, not new, but things we've never dealt with. And I'm telling you this as someone who's never been into programming, never really had any AI knowledge. But anyway, I assure you that when you look back and see everything you've learned and all these concepts, it's really quite satisfying. And as a final message, don't build artificial intelligence, but rather use it to your advantage. And by this, I mean that basically, if you're, for example, using N8 Nmake, which I don't recommend at all, it's not professional, but anyway, let's say you're using N8N making workflows, trying to, well, learn, stop doing that. Stop, because it gets you nowhere. It's fine, and I'm really not saying it isn't. You have to know the basics and you have to know how it's used, but focus on what's real, on execution, on getting clients, on learning how they're really going to pay you so much money for an artificial intelligence system. And remember, brush that imposter syndrome off your shoulder, because I know many of you think we're late, that it no longer makes sense to start with AI, but I assure you we're very early. I thought exactly the same thing 6 or 7 months ago when I started, and now today I realize how foolish I was deep down, and I know that, well, this is going to last, and in fact, 2026 is the year to start your AI agency or your AI freelancing. If you really want to take advantage of AI, this is your moment, this is your year, and you have to know it. If it's not you, it's going to be someone else. And why? You're watching this video right now, you've finished it, get to work on your freelancing, on your agency, but start now. Remember, don't overthink it anymore, just start. I assure you that if in a month you look back and say, everything I've done has been totally useless, I'll let you blame me, and if you want, come and insult me here in the YouTube comments. But I only ask that you try. Try for that month, but in that month that you try, give it your all. So good luck, and I'll see you in the next video.